Are you losing sleep worrying about your pet's health because they have diarrhea? Do you feel guilty, wondering if there's more you could have done, or worry about the side effects of harsh medications? By the end of this video, you will know how to use one of the safest, most effective natural remedies that can quickly resolve your pet's diarrhea, helping them feel better without harsh medications. One of my patients, Poppy, suffered from chronic bloody mucousy diarrhea until her mom started using this simple remedy and brought her relief within 2 days, which gave her breathing space to focus on why the diarrhea was actually there. If you're struggling with your pet's gut health issues like diarrhea, you're not alone. I'm Dr. Katie Woodley, a holistic veterinarian, and I specialize helping pet parents like you all over the world who are dealing with chronic gut health issues. And I don't want you to struggle alone any longer. There's a link in the description below to book a call with me directly if you're wanting to truly heal your pet's gut health issue. All right, let's dive into one of my favorite natural remedies to help resolve your pet's diarrhea. It's slippery elm. Slippery elm is a tree native to North America, and its inner bark has been used for centuries, both medicinally and as a soothing agent. The mucilage, or the gel-like substance that forms when the bark contacts water, is primarily responsible for its healing properties. It coats and soothes the mouth, throat, stomach, and intestines, making it particularly effective for conditions like diarrhea in pets. So when should you use slippery elm for your pets? Slippery elm is one of the safest remedies out there, but we can use it in pets that may be suffering from gastrointestinal issues such as diarrhea, constipation, or vomiting, and even hairballs in cats. When there's irritation of the digestive tract from conditions like colitis or inflammatory bowel diseases, and even in acute cases of stomach upset, helping to soothe the lining of the stomach and intestines. Make sure to comment below with slippery elm if you're ready to try this supplement with your pets. But first, let's talk about dosing recommendations for pets. The general guidelines for dosing slippery elm for pets is relatively straightforward. It's really hard to mess up. Here's our recipe for making it for both dogs and cats on how to make the slippery elm decoction. And if you need brand recommendations, drop the word brand below in the comments so we can help guide you. The slippery elm should be mixed with water to form a gel-like consistency before being added to your pet's food. This helps ensure that your pet can digest it easily, and it reduces the risk of choking, which is very rare unless you're giving a ton of slippery elm. But just make sure to follow this recipe to keep your pets safe. And keep in mind, because of its mucilage activity and how it coats the GI lining, it can potentially impair the absorption of nutrients in food, other supplements, and medications. Ideally, you would give this 1 hour before main meals and other medications, or 2 hours after eating. If you need to give it with a little bit of food, then that's okay. And if you're using this short term for GI issues, then it's okay to mix it in with the food. But if you plan on using slippery elm long term for chronic health issues, please be aware when you're using it in relation to other meds, supplements, and the main meals. And if you're feeling alone on trying to figure out why your pet's chronic GI issues won't resolve, just like Poppy was experiencing, and you're trying all the natural remedies, but it's not making a lasting impact, make sure to schedule a call with me so I can help you figure out how to find the root cause and heal it for good. There's a link in the description below to book a call. Now, while slippery elm is effective in providing symptomatic relief for diarrhea, it's also crucial to address the underlying cause of why the gastrointestinal distress is there. Diarrhea can be symptomatic, or what I call a check engine light, for various underlying issues. These can include things like infections, so bacterial, viral, giardia, or other parasites, food sensitivities, leaky gut problems, or even heavy metal issues like I talked about in last week's video. And chronic diseases such as thyroid problems, other endocrine or hormonal issues, inflammatory bowel disease, or even cancer. While using slippery elm to alleviate symptoms, it's important for you to ask yourself, why is this symptom here, to help you find the root cause or causes of the chronic diarrhea, so that you can use natural remedies to truly heal the body, not just the symptom. This ensures that the solution is not just a temporary fix, but a step towards long-term health and wellness for your pet. If this is something you're struggling with and you're ready to find a way forward rather than hoping the next thing works, there's a link below to speak with me directly so we can start figuring out together how to heal the root cause of your pet's GI issues naturally. And make sure to watch our next video, Why Your Pet's Gut Health Issues Don't Improve, to continue to learn more. Let's help your pets thrive naturally together.